Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, yeah man, so big up on yourself, man, I say big up on yourself, you know. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester. I'm going to tour some local place in Mandeville where some people only heard about the name, never get the chance to view that area. Yeah man, so I am on the Winston Jones Highway, right across from the Total gas station, that is Greenville. Would say it's Greenville gas station. So I'm in that area. So you all will have an understanding going down on Winston Jones Highway, which is going on towards New Green Roundabout, but I will not reach to New Green Roundabout today. So I turn off now some nice little area in a Mandeville, like, you know, built up place. People from overseas want to look for property there, look for houses there for sale. So I'm gonna make a turn, which will take us on to. I will make a right turn. It's gonna take us on to Marshall's Pen. Yeah man, so this is Marshall Drive. Yeah, so I'm on Marshall Drive right now. So you all can enjoy the tour. And leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area. And we all know Mandeville is a very cool climate. Yeah man, to the garbage man them there. Pick up them rubbish. Keep Jamaica clean. So big up all of the garbage collector. Big up on yourself. One love and one heart. Big up on yourself, you know. And keep Jamaica clean. Want to have a clean environment. So I take a tour for Hummingbird Close. Yeah man, this is them call name Hummingbird Close. Yeah, so we have an understanding how Hummingbird Close stay. Some areas in Mandeville, some hidden areas in Mandeville. So when you heard about close, you know, say it's gonna be one dead end. And when you know it's a circle, you're gonna go around. And some people don't really know that. Some people are traveling the street and don't know when you have a close and you have a circle, what to look for. So we're having some nice weather today. Very nice weather in the Hummingbird closed area. Sometimes we say Jamaica small, but to me, some small turn off in Jamaica, you know, wonder say yeah. Some beautiful places in Jamaica same way we don't even get the chance to see. Watch what I go around the side because see the garbage man them a come around the side here. I wonder if they see me when I go on, you know. So this is my first time being around here. Oh, look at the beauty. Very nice area. So always remember to like up the video free of cost. And if you learned something about Mandeville, leave it in the comment section. man, so I'm heading right back to Winston Jones Highway on the main road. That is the entrance where I came into Marshall's Pen. So a sign across the road say Greenville, Spurtree, Winston Jones Highway, Porous. Yeah man, so them just put up a sign right there. So no Jamaica with Fire Reid, your #1 tour guide. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.